Welcome to the world of caviar production. Have you ever wondered how this luxurious delicacy is made? Today we'll explore the journey from sturgeon farms to your table, showing how tradition and technology combine to create this exquisite treat. The process of making caviar begins with selecting the ideal sturgeon species. Different types of sturgeon, such as beluga, ossetra, and sevruga, produce distinct varieties of caviar, each with unique flavors and textures. Choosing the right fish is the first step in ensuring high-quality caviar. This selection process involves assessing the genetic lineage and health of the sturgeon, as these factors significantly impact the quality of the roe. The fish are carefully chosen to ensure they are mature enough to produce eggs, but not too old, as this can affect the texture and taste of the caviar. Sturgeons are typically bred in captivity under controlled conditions to ensure a consistent supply of roe. The selection process is meticulous, as only the healthiest and most robust fish are chosen for breeding. This careful selection helps maintain the quality and consistency of the caviar produced. The journey of each batch of caviar starts with this critical decision, setting the stage for the quality of the final product. After selecting the ideal sturgeon, they are cultivated in specialized aquaculture facilities that closely mimic their natural habitats. These controlled environments are crucial for providing the best conditions for sturgeon growth and development. The water quality is meticulously regulated, with key factors like temperature, oxygen levels, and pH carefully adjusted to maintain the fish's health and well-being. This constant monitoring ensures that the sturgeon live in an environment conducive to producing high-quality roe. The sturgeon are housed in expansive tanks or ponds, allowing them ample space to move and grow. They receive a diet specifically formulated to meet their nutritional needs, promoting steady growth and the development of premium RO. This diet is rich in proteins and essential nutrients, tailored to support the fish through their various life stages. The farming process is lengthy, often spanning several years, as sturgeon take a significant amount of time to reach maturity. Throughout this period, the fish are under continuous observation for any signs of stress or illness. Regular health checks are conducted to detect any potential issues early on, ensuring that any problems are addressed swiftly to maintain the overall health of the sturgeon population. This careful and attentive approach in sturgeon farming not only ensures the production of high-quality caviar, but also supports the sustainability and health of the sturgeon species in captivity. Monitoring and caring for the sturgeon is a continuous process. Farm workers closely observe the fish's health and behavior, ensuring they are growing well and are free from disease. This involves regular health checks, where the fish are examined for any signs of illness or parasites. The water quality is also continuously monitored, with adjustments made as needed to maintain optimal conditions. Feeding is another crucial aspect of sturgeon care. The fish are given a diet rich in proteins and essential nutrients, which supports their growth and the development of quality roe. The feed is carefully formulated to meet the specific nutritional needs of the sturgeon at different stages of their life cycle. This attention to detail helps ensure that the fish are healthy and produce high-quality roe. Harvesting the roe from sturgeon is a delicate and precise operation, requiring both skill and timing. Typically, sturgeon are ready for roe extraction when they reach 8 to 20 years old, depending on the species. The timing of the harvest is crucial, as it significantly influences the quality and flavor of the resulting caviar. To determine the readiness of the eggs, the sturgeon are examined using ultrasound or other advanced techniques. This helps ensure that the RO is harvested at its peak maturity. Once the eggs are deemed ready, the sturgeon are handled with utmost care to reduce stress, which can affect the quality of the roe. The extraction of the eggs from the fish's body cavity is a meticulous process that demands precision. The goal is to remove the eggs without causing any damage, as even minor injuries to the eggs can compromise the quality of the caviar. This careful extraction is followed by a process called sieving, where the RO is cleaned and separated from the surrounding membranes. Sieving is a crucial step that ensures only the finest eggs are selected for the next stages of caviar production. This involves gently washing the roe to remove any impurities, such as blood or tissue, while maintaining the integrity of the eggs. The result is a collection of high-quality roe that meets the stringent standards required for premium caviar. The entire process is conducted with a focus on preserving the delicate nature of the roe, ensuring that the final product is of the highest possible quality. After the arrow is harvested, it undergoes a meticulous extraction process. The eggs are gently rinsed to remove any impurities, such as blood or tissue. This process must be done delicately to avoid damaging the eggs, as they're very fragile. Once cleaned, the eggs are drained and inspected to ensure they meet quality standards. The arrow is then separated based on size and color, with the best quality eggs reserved for premium caviar. The extraction process is critical in determining the texture and flavor of the final product. The eggs must be handled carefully to maintain their delicate membrane, which helps preserve the caviar's texture and flavor. The extracted roe is then ready for the next stage of processing, where it will be salted and cured to enhance its flavor. Salting and curing the roe is a vital step in caviar production. The process involves adding a precise amount of salt to the eggs, which helps enhance their flavor and preserve them. The amount of salt used can vary depending on the type of caviar being produced and the desired flavor profile. The arrow is gently mixed with the salt, ensuring even distribution. This process is done by hand to ensure the delicate eggs are not damaged. The curing process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, depending on the desired flavor and texture of the caviar. During this time, the arrow absorbs the salt, which helps to enhance its natural flavors. The curing process also helps to firm up the eggs, giving them the characteristic texture that caviar is known for. Once the curing process is complete, the caviar is ready for final inspection and packaging. Quality control is a crucial aspect of caviar production. Every batch of caviar is rigorously inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards. This involves checking the eggs for size, color, texture, and flavor. The caviar is also tested for any impurities or contaminants, ensuring it is safe for consumption. The quality control process is meticulous, with only the finest caviar making it to the packaging stage. The caviar is graded based on its quality, with the highest grade caviar being the most prized. This grading system helps to ensure consistency and quality across different batches of caviar. The quality control process is essential in maintaining the reputation of the caviar producer, as it ensures that only the best product reaches the consumer. Once the caviar has passed all quality control checks, it is carefully packaged to preserve its freshness and flavor. The caviar is typically packaged in small, airtight containers, which help to protect it from air and light. These containers are carefully sealed to ensure the caviar remains fresh until it reaches the consumer. Each container is labeled with important information such as the type of caviar, the date of production, and the producer's details. This information helps consumers to know exactly what they are purchasing and ensures they are getting a high-quality product. The packaging also plays a crucial role in marketing, as it helps to convey the premium nature of the product. The final step is to carefully transport the packaged caviar to retailers and distributors, ensuring it remains fresh and high quality. The entire process, from selecting the sturgeon to packaging the final product, is designed to ensure that the caviar is of the highest quality. This attention to detail and commitment to quality is what makes caviar such a prized delicacy. And there you have it, a fascinating journey from the farm to your table. The process of making caviar combines meticulous care with centuries-old tradition, resulting in a product cherished by gourmets worldwide. If you want to explore more exciting stories, watch our next video.